In today's rapidly evolving economy, the concept of passive income has become increasingly appealing to individuals seeking financial freedom and independence. Passive income refers to earnings generated with minimal active effort or time investment, allowing individuals to generate income streams that continue to flow even when they are not actively working. From rental properties and dividend stocks to affiliate marketing and online courses, there are countless opportunities for individuals to create passive income streams and build wealth over time. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore 10 lucrative passive income ideas in detail, providing step-by-step explanations and actionable insights to help you embark on your journey towards financial success. Rental properties. Investing in rental properties can be a lucrative source of passive income, but it requires careful consideration and ongoing management. Initially, extensive research is essential to identify properties with high rental potential and favorable market conditions. Investors must evaluate factors such as location, property condition, rental demand, and potential rental income relative to the property's purchase price. Once a suitable property is acquired, whether through cash purchase or financing, investors need to handle various aspects of property management. This includes advertising vacancies, screening potential tenants, drafting lease agreements, collecting rent, handling maintenance and repairs, and addressing tenant concerns. Property management can be done independently or outsourced to a property management company, which typically charges a percentage of rental income in exchange for handling day-to-day operations. Successful rental property investing requires a combination of financial acumen, market knowledge, responsiveness to tenant needs, and proactive maintenance to ensure a steady stream of passive income while maximizing property appreciation over time. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks offers investors the opportunity to earn passive income through regular dividend payments distributed by publicly traded companies. To begin, investors need to conduct thorough research to identify companies with a strong track record of paying dividends and a history of stable earnings. Factors such as dividend yield, payout ratio, dividend growth rate, and overall financial health should be carefully evaluated. Diversification is essential to mitigate risks associated with individual stocks or sectors. Investors can purchase dividend stocks directly through a brokerage account or invest in dividend-focused mutual funds or exchange-traded funds. Once invested, investors can choose to reinvest dividends, compound returns, or receive them as a regular income. Monitoring the performance of dividend stocks and staying informed about any changes in dividend policies, company fundamentals is crucial for long-term success in dividend investing. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms provide an alternative investment opportunity for individuals seeking passive income through fixed income securities. Investors can lend money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms, earning interest on their investments over time. To get started, investors must sign up with a reputable peer-to-peer lending platform and fund their accounts. They can then browse available loan listings and choose loans based on factors such as borrower creditworthiness, loan purpose, interest rates, and loan terms. Diversification across multiple loans helps spread risk and minimize the impact of defaults. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals or companies promote products or services from other companies. Earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through their referral efforts. To get started in affiliate marketing, individuals need to select a niche or industry they are passionate about and identify relevant affiliate programs or networks that offer products or services aligned with their interests. Once approved as an affiliate, individuals can access unique affiliate links or promotional materials provided by the affiliate program to promote products or services through various marketing channels such as websites, blogs, social media, email marketing, advertising. Successful affiliate marketing requires create high quality content that provides value to the target audience and effectively promotes the benefits of the products or services being promoted. Building trust and credibility with your audience is essential for driving conversions and maximizing earnings. Additionally, monitoring performance metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and a commission earning is crucial for optimizing marketing strategies and identifying opportunities for growth. Print and demand. Print on demand is a business model that allows individuals to design and sell custom merchandise without the need for inventory or upfront investment. To start a print on demand business, individuals can partner with print on demand platforms or services that handle product creation, printing, and shipping on behalf of the seller. The process begins with creating or sourcing designs for a merchandise such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and other accessories. Once designs are created, individuals can upload them to the print on demand platform and create product listings with customized branding and pricing. When a customer places an order, the print on demand service handles the production and fulfillment process, printing the design onto the selected product and shipping it directly to the customer. Sellers earn a profit margin on each sale, with the print on demand service deducting the order profit from the cost. Marketing and promotion play a crucial role in driving traffic and sales on print on demand products, with strategies including social media marketing, influencer partnerships, search engine optimization, email marketing, and online advertising. YouTube channel. Starting a successful YouTube channel requires careful planning, consistent effort, and dedication to creating engaging and valuable content for your target audience. To get started, individuals should choose a niche or topic they are passionate about and knowledgeable in, as this will help attract and retain subscribers who share similar interests. Content creation can include a variety of formats such as tutorials, product reviews, vlogs, educational videos, entertainment, or how-to guides. It's essential to maintain a consistent upload schedule to keep your audience engaged and returning for more content. Once a channel has met the eligibility requirements, individuals can apply to monetize their videos through the YouTube Partner Program, allows them to earn revenue from advertising displayed on their videos. Additional monetization options include channel membership, merchandise sales through the YouTube merchandise shelf, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Growing a YouTube channel requires promoting your videos across various platforms, optimizing video titles, descriptions, and tags for search engine visibility, engaging with your audience through comments and community posts, collaborating with the other creators, and staying informed about trends in your niche. Ebooks. Self-publishing ebooks offers the individuals the opportunity to share their knowledge, expertise, or creativity with a global audience and earn passive income from book sales. To get started, individuals should choose a topic or genre they are passionate about and knowledgeable in, as this will help them create content that resonates with their target audience. Researching market demand and competition can help identify potential niches or topics with higher reader interest and sales potential. Once a topic is selected, individuals can begin writing, formatting, and editing their ebook manuscript using writing software or tools. Cover design is another important aspect of ebook publishing, as it plays a crucial role in attracting readers and conveying the book's content and tone. Once the ebook is complete, individuals can publish it on popular ebook platforms such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Apple Books Barnes, and Noble Press, or Smashwords. Pricing strategies should be carefully considered to maximize sales and royalties earned, taking into account factors such as book length, genre, competition, and reader expectations. Mobile apps. Developing and monetizing mobile apps can be a lucrative opportunity for individuals with programming skills, creativity, and an understanding of market demand and user preferences. To start, individuals should identify a niche or category for their mobile app that addresses a specific problem or provides value to a target audience. Conducting market research can help identify potential gaps or opportunities in the market and inform app development and design decisions. Once a concept is validated, individuals can begin the app development process, which includes designing the user interface and the user experience, coding and programming the app functionality, testing for bugs and usability issues, and optimizing performance for different devices and operating systems. Once the app is developed, individuals can publish it on popular app stores such as the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or Amazon App Store, where users can discover, download, and install the app on their devices. Online courses. Developing and selling online courses is a popular way for individuals to monetize their expertise, skills, or knowledge and generate passive income by providing valuable educational content to a global audience. To get started, individuals should identify a topic or subject for their online course that aligns with their expertise, interests, and target audience. Conducting market research and competitor analysis can help identify the demand, competition, and potential opportunities for course topics and content. Once a topic is selected, individuals can begin planning and creating their course content, which can include a variety of formats such as video lectures, presentations, quizzes, assignments, downloadable sources, and interactive exercises. Course creation platforms such as Teachable, Thinkific, or Udemy can be used to host and sell the courses, providing tools and features for your course creation, customization, student management, and payment processing. Pricing strategies should be carefully designed to provide value to students while generating sustainable revenue for the course creator, with options for one-time purchases, subscriptions, or payment plans, and discounts or promotions for early adopters or loyal customers. As we conclude our journey through the world of passive income, we have uncovered a treasure trove of opportunities waiting to be seized. From real estate investments to digital entrepreneurship, the path to financial freedom is within reach for those willing to take the leap. But remember, success in the realm of passive income requires more than just knowledge. It demands action. So as you embark on your own passive income journey, keep these 10 lucrative ideas close at hand and let them serve as your roadmap to prosperity. With determination, persistence, and a dash of creativity, there is no limit to what you can achieve. So go forth, dream big, and may your passive income streams flow abundantly. Until next time, keep striving, keep innovating, and keep building the life of your dreams. Here's to your success.